Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I got this cute, sleek, poppin' ponytail. Y'all, I am so obsessed with this ponytail. I love me some drawstring ponytails. So I'm always at the beauty supply looking for different textures, different lengths of ponytails because it's just something about like pulling your hair back, being snatched, like something about it, honey. Anyway, so I went to the beauty supply and I got this hair. Also, if you wanted to see another drawstring ponytail that I've done, go to my channel. I will actually have the video linked somewhere around here. You can see it's a bit of a different look. You know, there's a middle part, there's some twists, it's some curly hair. It's a little bit different. So like I said, I got this hair at the beauty supply. It's by the brand Model. It's a straight hair texture. It does have highlights. I think I'm not even sure what length this was. I can definitely look and possibly put it down below, but it just goes like not very far down my back, so that's really good in my opinion. And I really love the hair. So if you're interested to see how I went from like mid-length natural 4B4C hair to this sleek ponytail, then stay tuned. Keep watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video, and let's get right into it. So pretty much to do this hairstyle, I'm going to start with like, I don't even know what my hair has been through. Okay, so this is not an old twist out. It's actually, I had my hair in a wig. Before I start, I like to really make sure that my hair is detangled and it's stretched out. So I use my wide tooth comb and I get some water in my spray bottle, and then I use my favorite moisturizer by my L Organics. It's the avocado moisturizing hair milk. And then I just moisten my hair like this. So I don't want it to be drenched. I just want it to be like damp so that when I comb through it, it's not brittle. And so I'm just taking some of my moisturizer and I'm gonna put it all over mainly the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of my hair. That's the part I feel like gets dry the most, etc., etc. And then I take my comb and I just start detangling. And as you can see, look at that. If it was dry, it would be a mess right now, but it's just a lot easier to detangle now. Okay, so my hair is pretty detangled now and I look like a Jackson 5 member. So the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, it's definitely like a fro-ish, it's definitely kinkier. So putting it in a bun is going to be an absolute challenge. So what I love, honey, like I use this product for everything that I do with my hair. I use Eco Styler gel for everything. I love the olive oil one. I've tried others and the olive oil one is just my Jun, honey. We're gonna use Eco Styler gel to really lay down the hair. So you're gonna wanna use a generous amount, honey. These are literally like what, $4 or $5. For all of that, we can be generous. So I'm gonna start by putting it just all around my hair, like the perimeter. But something that I've been learning lately is the art of like, so I want my ponytail to be kind of higher. So what I'm gonna start by doing is starting at the front. I'm going to get my hair together. I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna start pulling my hair in. I just want this to be as smooth as possible. I don't want to look like I have an egg head. Next, I'm gonna work on the next layer, our gel. And I'm going to just kind of mold that up. I want it to be flat. I'm also gonna add some Gorilla Snot. I love Gorilla Snot. I use it a lot for my edges. But this is also good if you're trying to slick back your hair, especially if you're a naturalista and you just want to make sure that you're not going to, your hair's not gonna poof up as much, or you know, you're not gonna get a lot of flyaways. This is really good for keeping it held down. So this is the point where you want to make sure that it's as flat as possible. We don't want our natural hair to be bunching up at the crown, so that when we put it in a bun, it shouldn't look like an egg or anything. And if you have to redo this 2-3 times, girl, it's worth it, because you do not want that look, especially when you have such a sleek ponytail. Okay, so I feel like this part is really flat down. I'm just making sure all around. This is a good point if you have any strayaways because your hair is too short, to pull it up, and you want it to be as close to this bun as possible so that it can be hidden. So I'm about to get another hair tie just so that my bun can be a little bit tighter, because it is going to be going into, this is the ponytail I'm going to be using. It's by Model. It's so sleek. What I love about it is it has color in it, and I do have highlights in my hair, but I just love that it adds a little bit of subtle color. It doesn't look too fake or anything. Okay, so I have another hair tie, and I'm just going to put it on top of this to just compress it a little bit. So I can see it's a bit of a smaller bun now. So what we're gonna do now is take, as you can see, there are 2 clips on our drawstring ponytail, and then there's an actual drawstring. And this bottom part's gonna be at the bottom of our bun, and then this top part is going to be at the top of the bun. I always start first by putting the bottom clip in the back of my bun, and then I put, so you can see that it's in the back of my bun, and then I put the front. You don't want to necessarily just place it there, because this part is rounded and you kind of want it to be more under, so you might want to put it actually under the root of the bun, and maybe even up into the bun. Just try to make it look as natural as possible. So once you have both clips in, you want to pull the drawstring, and then you want to secure it. So this is what it looks like since it's at the top of my head. It definitely looks like a volcano type of ponytail. So what I'm going to do, since it kind of folds down and you can see a track here, what I like to do, since I like it to be high, I like to take a piece of hair, like right around here, and we're gonna be wrapping it around, but I personally sometimes like to do a bit of a braid just to add something different. So I'm going to take this, make sure the hair is back, and I'm going to braid it. You do want to kind of braid toward the area it's going to be going at, just so that it looks a little bit more intentional, I guess, or neater. So once it's all braided, I like to take it and kind of wrap it around the base of the ponytail. You just want to make sure that that track that we saw before is hidden with the braid. Like, we're just working our little magic to make sure that nobody's gonna clock us today. So then I wrap it there, I take a bobby pin, and I secure it down. And so this is what the ponytail looks like. You might have to comb it out a little bit. But this is what it looks like for now. I like that it's like high, you know, it just looks like what I call a happy pony beach, where it's just swinging around. But we're not done. So the next part is arguably one of the most important parts, which is doing our edges. So for my edges, I like to do a bit of a mixture between Eco Styler Gel and Gorilla Snot. I love these products, guys. I use them almost every day. Okay, so when we're doing this, what I like to do is to add Eco Styler Gel just on the perimeter, just to smooth it up. I just like it to be like so smooth. And then I take my Gorilla Snot on my hands and I just rub it around so that it's distributed. And then I put that on my edges only. I'm getting hair on my hands. And then I'm gonna use an old toothbrush and I'm gonna put some Eco Styler. I literally just dip it in the Eco Styler, just have a little bit on the edge. And I just start doing my edges. So I like to use the natural baby hairs that I have. I'm not someone who's going to make all of these crazy, like, you know, long pieces of hair out of, to make baby edges. Or baby, what are they called? Baby hairs. Baby edges, wow. And then before we are finally done, I'm going to obviously let it sit because we used a lot of wet product. So what I like to do is I have one of these wraps from when I used to wrap my hair, and I just love it because it lays your hair down and it's not some awkward scarf. Literally just like, and that's not it. I'm also gonna take my black scarf and I'm gonna fold it in a triangle like this. And then I fold it along the long side so that it turns into like this. And then I put it on the top. So I really want it to be flat. I want it to look good and sleek, and I just tied in the back. And I'm going to probably keep this on for like 20 minutes just because I'm not going anywhere. If your hair wasn't really wet or moist, you can probably keep it on for like 10 minutes, but I just really like to make sure that when I walk outside and the air hits it, it's not about to frizz up or anything. So I'm going to keep it on for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so it's literally been like 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna take this off. I already checked it like 5 minutes ago, so I took my pink one off and just kept this on, but I think it's dry. So it's so sleek. It's definitely dry. So this is what it looks like, y'all. So this is what it looks like head on. This is what it looks like from the side. I love, love, love the color that's coming out here. You can see it has the brown streaks right through it, but it's still dark. I love this ponytail. If you want to see it actually in action or styled, you should follow me on Instagram because I post all of my hair pictures and all of my different hairstyles on there. My Instagram is Shaylin Denise with 2 E's on the end. Your girl is feeling, your girl is feeling brand new, whatever. I feel like I can go, I don't know what can I go do? I feel like I need to go swing my ponytail somewhere. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye. Bye.